YouTube video script, approximately 4 minutes, no time lapse. Opening scene, aerial view of the English Channel, ships crossing the sea, coastline of the United Kingdom and France. Narrator, beneath the waters of the English Channel lies one of the greatest engineering achievements of the modern world. The Channel Tunnel, also known as the Eurotunnel, is a railway connection that links the United Kingdom and France through a massive underground passage beneath the seabed. Stretching approximately 50 kilometers, this ambitious project required engineers to overcome enormous challenges involving geology, pressure, underwater construction, and precision engineering. But how was this incredible tunnel built beneath the sea? Visual, engineers studying maps, geological surveys, and underwater geological models. Narrator. Before construction began, engineers needed to understand the hidden world beneath the English Channel. Thousands of geological surveys were carried out to identify the safest route through the seabed. The discovery of a strong layer of blue chalk provided the ideal foundation because it was stable enough for tunneling while also offering protection from seawater. Careful planning allowed engineers from both countries to create a precise underground route before excavation started. Visual, tunnel boring machines being assembled at construction sites in the UK and France. Narrator, construction began from both sides of the channel. Large tunnel boring machines, known as TBMs, were designed specifically for this challenging environment. These powerful machines slowly cut through the chalk, removing material while creating a controlled underground passage. At the same time, engineers installed concrete tunnel segments behind the machines to strengthen the structure and prevent water infiltration. Visual, TBM cutting underground, workers installing concrete rings, underground tunnel sections. Narrator, the project consisted of 3 parallel tunnels. 2 larger tunnels were built for railway traffic, while the smaller central service tunnel was constructed for maintenance, safety operations, and emergency access. Connecting passages between the tunnels provided additional safety features, allowing people and equipment to move between sections when needed. Visual, excavated material being transported, construction workers, underground logistics. Narrator, removing millions of tons of excavated chalk was another major challenge. Engineers developed specialized systems to transport and manage the material removed during excavation. Some of the excavated material was reused to create new land areas, demonstrating how large infrastructure projects can also reshape surrounding environments. Visual, 2 tunnel sections approaching each other underground. Narrator. One of the most historic moments came when the British and French tunneling teams finally met beneath the seabed. After years of excavation, precise measurements brought both sides together with remarkable accuracy. This breakthrough represented not only an engineering success but also a powerful symbol of cooperation between 2 nations. Visual, railway tracks being installed, electrical systems, trains entering the tunnel. Narrator, after excavation was completed, the tunnel entered a new phase of construction. Railway tracks, electrical systems, communication networks, ventilation equipment, and safety technology were installed throughout the tunnels. Extensive testing ensured that trains could operate safely through the underground route. Visual, modern Eurostar trains traveling through the tunnel, passengers, control centers. Narrator. Today, the Channel Tunnel carries millions of passengers and large amounts of freight between the United Kingdom and mainland Europe. It has transformed international transportation by creating a direct railway connection beneath the sea. Closing scene, cross-section animation of the tunnel beneath the ocean, trains moving through the underground passage. Narrator, the Channel Tunnel is more than a railway project. It is a masterpiece of engineering that combines scientific research, human determination, and international collaboration. Built beneath one of the world's busiest waterways, it remains a reminder that even the most impossible ideas can become reality through innovation and precision. End screen text, Channel Tunnel, the engineering marvel beneath the sea.